And also, he keeps making those weird pizza metaphors, which is like really annoying.
And I'm here because...
Well, little brother, you know how diplomatic you are. Also, I have better things to do.
Like what, singing?
Yes, like singing and dancing! I think it would be much better if he heard it from you.
I respectfully disagree.
That must be him. And remember, I'm not home.
Oh, hi, Grandma. What are you doing here?
Mother, what a lovely surprise. What brings you here?
Well, my house has been flooded. All my carpets have been ruined, and my cats have fled the house.
What do you mean your house has been flooded?
Haven't you heard about the floods from the west? They have reached the perimeter of this city.
What floods? Why didn't anyone tell us about this?
What? How about when I
Oh my
said...
goodness, this is horrible.
We have to start packing immediately.
Now, you've been through enough already. You should just lay down for a little bit. Here, let me help you with that.
Excuse me, people, but are you getting this play? I mean, first there was a drought and nobody starved, and now there's this hurricane, flood thing, and nobody's worrying about it. It just doesn't make any sense.
So good.
Oh yeah, and that's the stage manager, my sister. She thinks she's so great because she bosses me around all the time at home, and then she thinks she can boss me around here too.
What are you doing? I'm not supposed to be playing the brother in this act.
She wasn't here.
Well, I'm she now. Thank you. Give me the costume.
Now where's my sugar pizza?
She's not here right now, but she told me to tell you that, you know how my sister is really busy right now, and we all could, like, drown anyway, so you should just forget about her and go pack.
How was it? Did he cry a lot?
Oh, hi.
Wait a minute. I thought you said she wasn't home right now. You lied.
Honey, Sugar Plum, what's this all about?
Listen, the thing is, I really don't want to be together with you anymore. I'm sorry, I have too much to do.
I'm sorry, pal. I really don't know what's gotten into her.
You deserve better than her.